I'm having a year off sex.
Well, another one.
Stephen's life is going nowhere. But his best friend Bunny is about to change all that.
Come on, man. Let's go on holiday. Find ourselves a country we can do something about those walloping great space operas you're clanging around in your pants.
Where's your luggage?
Cheers.
This is 1,500 pages of pure fun.
This better be good.
Shoes have always been top of the world agenda.
Come with me. Food, shelter, good times.
Nice. Warm milk.
Delicious.
Farm dog.
I'm going to chop up your peanuts and put it in a sandwich.
So, do you go out after work? You're going to go to a bar or anything?
No.
Good. Good.
Finally meet someone you actually stand a chance with, and what do? You crawl straight into the friend zone.
You're like a brother or a gaylord.
I'm not interested.
I think me and Eloise are about to...
Great.
Yeah, I'm going to Johnny it. I don't want to take the piss here, but, Oh, it's brilliant.
Where do you see this thing with Bunny going?
I don't think Bonnie is just sort of person you really make plans with.
Have you been drinking?
Yeah. Spain, I'm gonna fight a bull.
Are you mentally ill?
Much has been written about the art of bullfighting, but I can sum it up in one sentence. Get out of the way of the bull, you idiot! Otherwise he will rip open your...